Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here we have another species of Viburnum. This is Viburnum tinus, an evergreen species from the Mediterranean. English names include Laurestinus, Laurestine, Laurestinus viburnum, well, because of the evergreen leaves which kind of resemble bay laurel. It is native to the Mediterranean, but it is cultivated in huge parts of Britain and also in mild parts of Central Europe. In Heidelberg it survives quite well. However, we are in the middle of October, and as you can see it starts flowering. So the main flowering season will fall into probably November or December, and a lot of the flowers will freeze. As you can see, it has a lot of fruit this year because last winter was very mild, so the flowers and the young fruit could survive. Well, Viburnum fruit. Viburnum is quite a strange genus. I had Viburnum opulus, which had bright red fruit with a bit of, which tasted a bit of puke. Then a group of species like Viburnum lantana or Viburnum ritidophyllum had fruit which kind of looked and tasted like mud on the inside, but in a good way. And there is a third group of species for which I've been waiting for months to get ripe. So you can imagine those fruit. Their flowers flowered in November, December. Now it's October. So they've been hanging on the shrub for 10 months already. And they're still not getting soft. They still have this, look at this metallic shine. I mean, they don't really look like fruit. They look like metal or like plastic with metallic paint or with metallic dye. Look at them. They really look more like metal or plastic than like anything natural. Let's try them. Hard. Basically taste of greenery. Taste of any random unripe fruit. There is a pretty huge seed inside. Well, I never found anything about those fruit being edible. Maybe it's really not worth trying to use them as food. However, they have a lot of medicinal properties. The plant can be used against constipation. Actually, as far as I know, the fruit are being used against constipation. And recently, some extract of the fruit is even used to cure depression. This is, by the way, the seed. Also quite a strange looking seed with this netting or webbing on it. So yeah, well, it doesn't seem to have any edible fruit of any value. It's quite valuable as an ornamental and as a medicinal plant. And by the way, it seems that in southern England it's the host to the Viburnum beetle, which seems to be quite a big pest in Britain, but which I have never heard about here in Germany. So folks, this was the Viburnum tinus from the Mediterranean, where the fruit tastes unripe even after hanging for 10 months on the shrub. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the parks and gardens of beautiful Heidelberg, here behind me, in the autumn sun. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.